I'm going to share a very special recipe with you now. These are my Nana's 3-ingredient scones. Now, for a healthy twist on this recipe, you can use wholemeal flour if you like, you can use low kilojoule lemonade and light cream. You need quite a hot oven for these scones to work out. So my oven's currently heating to about 200 degrees. And here are my 3 ingredients. They're self-raising flour, lemonade and cream. And I'm literally just going to pop them all into my mixer and give it a whirl. Okay, I'm just flouring my veg top. Now, you don't actually need to roll this dough out, but you can just use your fingertips and gently pat it down. And I like my scones to be quite thick, so I find if you sort of leave the scones about this high, which is maybe 2 inches, they'll rise up to a beautiful height. Okay, so I've got my tray here that I've just lined with some baking paper. And you can use a very fancy scone cutter if you have one, but my Nana always used to use a glass, and that's what I'm going to use. Now remember, these will spread a little bit, so don't have them touching on the tray. Now don't waste any of the dough, just roll it all up and do it again. So these are ready to go in the oven. I just have to give them a glaze so that they turn out all beautiful and golden. And I'm just literally going to give them a quick brush with some milk. Now, while my scones are baking in the oven, I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and delicious fruit compote instead of jam. Of course you can use jam with your scones and cream, but I like this as well. Now, you can use any fruit juice you want in this, and I've chosen pomegranate juice today just because it's not too sweet and I just think it's a bit interesting. I've also got some diced dried mixed fruit. Again, you can use any fruit of your choice. I've got some vanilla extract and I've got a cinnamon quill. I've got some cloves and a bit of sugar. Just give it a bit of a stir and then over to the stovetop. So this is my beautiful compote, which I can't tell you how beautiful it smells and how delicious it tastes. These are going to be such a hit. So now you just have to serve it up.